So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video. Now, we are moving on to the next video topic, which is Uber's rates and some crazy bonuses. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, want to read that?
Yeah, so Raleigh, which is in North Carolina, and the entire region was lit all day Saturday night, right till 3 a.m. Thanks, Usher. Oh, because Usher was performing. Okay. Meanwhile, shout out to Uber for jacking up driver surge and taking care of drivers, paying well, and taking losses. So, guys, there was an Usher concert in North Carolina.
Usher still does music?
I guess so. So, when there's a big event going on, there's going to be huge bonuses, like $32, $25, $16, $20, $23.
I don't know. Well, what about the traffic, though? I guess it's worth it. There's a way to hack the surge. Is you basically, you stay on the outskirts, so you don't go, especially when there's a concert, you don't go straight to the concert. You kind of hang around the edge, and then you get a ride, through it, so you skip the traffic, but you still get the surge.
Oh.
Yeah, it's called surge hacking. So this is how to hack the surge, guys.